Well, welcome back, everyone. It's been a heck of a week this week with amazing tools in markets that are volatile, but we want to separate the signal from the noise and get right to the heart of what's happening in markets. I got to trade throughout the week live in front of active Trader Room members over at BBT and using a variety of tools, focused though on the TRP. Now, as you can see over here on the daily chart, we've had a sell signal for a while. Got choppy in the channel, came down, almost made it to the target too. The 4-hour chart has been in a sell signal state with counter trend long signals, of course, coming from the bounce last Friday, as you know. However, the signal has still been down. Why? A buy signal in a downtrend with the channel sloping down is still an opportunity to reshort when prices come back down below that cyan dot. It can't get more powerful and more clear than that one signal with target on screen. And look how perfectly that 4-hour chart had the sell signal, made it down to that target too. Now, this is into the end of last week, and of course, we bounced from there. Now, yesterday's market did take things down, which would not be unexpected based on the downward sloping channel. And today, Jackson Hole Day, Powell delivered a more hawkish speech. However, as we went into the market day today, we recognized that we're in a marketplace where we can see some upside emerge. And did the signal change? That's the key. Cyan dot on chart, that came from a couple of days ago. We can see that on the hourly chart, down, down, down. Today, we had that big push up to the top of the channel on the hourly chart, but we were not able to actually sustain above. Signal versus noise. Now, I was able to trade live in front of active Trader Room members today, in particular, taking that moment where Powell came in and started talking and looking at the signal versus the noise. The signal on the daily, down. The signal on the 4-hour, down. The signal on the 1-hour, down as well. Now, what happened on the 5-minute? Out of the gates, a buy signal. We did get some volatility right after he started speaking. I chose to take a trade that was on the bearish side and hold it until I was able to understand whether or not it was noise or it was a signal. And seeing that the price action on the 1-hour chart was not able to get above the top of the channel and hold, seeing that the 4-hour chart just basically came up and hit the slow speed line, was not able to get much further, I decided to stay in that trade, and I can share that with you amongst the other trades that I did during the week. And it's been a heck of a week. It's not one of those things that I'm going to say I'll be able to do all the time. Past performance is not indicative of future results, nor past track record. But as you can see, some great trading throughout the week, grossing around 12.25 Monday through Wednesday, and then take a breather yesterday. And today, using a Canadian dollar denominated ETF for some variety to play long volatility, and of course, separating the signal from the noise. That's the power that we have when we're looking at the TRP tools and doing it on a multi-time frame basis, as you just saw in the prior chart. Was able to gross about 790 Canadian dollars, equivalent to about 575 US dollars roughly. So for a decent overall performance on the week overall. And the day's not done just as of yet. Now, the strategies, the techniques around how to employ multi-time frame and how to, of course, make better decisions are things that I want to share with you. Now, I want you to remember that all trading that I do is at my own risk. I'm not a registered financial representative. I cannot guarantee these results. I cannot tell you that this is going to be indicative of future, but I can tell you that when I follow the rules, I do much better than when I break the rules. And it's really about those trading rules and the techniques around them that I really want to share the knowledge that I have, that I've gained from Rob, and how I use his tool, 32-time trading champion, real money on site trading champion. That's not an easy thing to do, and it's not a mistake that he's done it 32 times. And tools just like these are pivotal to how he accomplishes that. Now, I want to share with you my experience with it, how I use these tools, how I see markets currently, and of course, give you a whole robust package of how to find and identify trades fast, both day and swing, and come to a place where there's a skill set improvement that we can all move forward with in markets just like these that are expected to be just as volatile and great for traders as we move into September. So I'd like to invite you to the session that I'm going to be doing tomorrow morning, and I was not able to make it last Saturday. And look, I wish I'd had these strategies out to you last Saturday and was able to communicate it all, but I'm going to do my darndest to do everything I can for you tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Saturday, August the 26th. We'll go live. I will be there, and I'll be focused on both day and swing traders and strategies using a powerful toolkit that gives us the signal amongst the noise out there. Wishing you a wonderful rest of your day. Simply go to becomeabettertrader.com and get your seat. This is a do not miss session. A session like this, with rare offers like we have in this session, are not going to be made again for a very long time. So this is your opportunity to join. It's not a recorded session. It's about being there live. Go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. It is a do not miss session, and I'm going to make it as fruitful for you as I possibly can. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you there first thing tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Saturday, August the 26th. Bye for now.